Hi friends, so today we are going to talk about our electric scooter we bought around like 1 month ago from Amazon. And today I'm going to talk about the features, what are the nice things about this, why did we purchase this electric scooter, right? And how it's different from other regular scooters as well, and like why it's better than a car, right? So we had our car around like couple of months ago, and in this pandemic, we were getting a better offer for the car. We were looking for a new car, and we got a better offer for our old car, so that's why we sold it. And that's when we got to know about these electric scooters, and we bought it from here. So let's first come and let's understand what are the features, how does it work, and then we will discuss about the benefits of using an electric scooter and why we decided to buy this electric scooter. So let's come to the features of this electric scooter. So this is very simple. There's a stand, and where if you are going anywhere, then you can basically place it anywhere, right? And it's completely electric, and you can it can stand up to I think 220 pounds of weight. And so this is basically the brake of this, and it's power brake. And on an inclination, or if you are going downward, then it can basically stop instantaneously. This is the accelerator, uh, and to start this, first you have to kick on the ground and make it 3 miles. Right now it's 0, so as soon as it comes to 2 to 3 miles per hour, then you can press the accelerator, and that's where it's. And yeah, these are the only two functions. And what I like about this is a very nice, I would say, space here. You can place both of your legs here, so I can put one of my leg here, and then the second leg can be behind me, so there's a good comfortable space. And yeah, so if I want to step on this, so I, I can put my one leg here, and then I can kick and then press accelerator. So as you can see, all I needed to do is kick initially to get 2 miles per hour speed, and then press on the accelerator button, and it has a power brake. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. And I think tires, and worry about flattening the tires, right? Because I think these are pneumatic tires, and then like there is like you won't get it flat, right? So that's one of the best thing about this. And one thing that I think before this, let's show one more feature here. This here, one more feature. So it has lights also, so you just have to press one small, and then it will basically light. So it has the LED light at the front, so even if you are basically taking it in the night, so it will be having nice lights. And then you can press one more time, and then it will shut off, right? And then behind this we have one red light also, so people can see that whether you are driving or not. So, and then this will has a battery also, below this, and this is where the charging point is, and you can do charging from here. The nice thing about this electric scooter is I think it can have a speed of I think 20 to 25 miles per hour. Okay, so on a flat road it can like go around like 12 to, sorry, not 12, it can go around 18 to 20 miles per hour. On downward slope it can go around 25 miles per hour, and on upward slope it can go around 8 to 10 miles per hour. So that's the best thing. And I think the next best thing about this electric scooter is if you have to charge once like 100%, it can run for I think 60 miles. So it's for long range, right? It's for long distance, and that's why it's very durable, and it's like a little bit heavy also. But when you ride it, it's amazing. It's like you get a different feeling. And so that's the best thing about this, like 60 miles. We live in suburbs of Atlanta, so we can go to downtown and then come back without any like worry. And we got it from Amazon. And if you also want to see where exactly, if you want to see this scooter, click on the description below. Check out the description below, and you will find a link where you can directly purchase from there, and you can check it out from there as well. So check out the description of this video. And now coming to the next point is why we decided to purchase this electric scooter is I think like when you are living in suburbs, we wanted to explore the beauty of natural beauty, right? So we like during the evening, like when we walk, right? If you are walking, then you can basically go up to like 1 mile or 2 miles, right? That's basically maximum distance, or 3 miles, and then you have to come back also. But we wanted to, like explore like broader area, and that's why we decided to purchase this. The best thing about this is like if you are taking this, you can stop anywhere, okay, and you can basically take a lot of videos, a lot of photos also, and so we can literally stop anywhere, on the trail, and we can take pictures of beautiful flowers, right, and beautiful trees as well, and new type of trees. And we will be soon posting all those photos also on one of our blog. So check out the description, check out the link in the description as well if you want to see those amazing photos as well. So that's the best thing about this scooter. We can literally stop anywhere, and like if we have a car, then we have a limitation that we cannot stop, right? But if you have this electric scooter, then that's the best thing about like stopping anywhere, and we can enjoy it at any place. So last thing about this scooter is basically it's very easy to disassemble and assemble. All you have to do is remove this clip from here first. So this is a small clip here, okay, and you just have to like unlock it. You just have to unlock it like this. So initially it was like this, now you have to unlock it, and then press this button here, press this. Now it's unlocked, it's open, and yeah, that's it basically. And this is the clip here, right? This is the clip here, and that's where you have to plug here, right? Like plug, yeah, that's it. And now if you are basically going anywhere, like if you want to put in your car also, you can just lift it like this and put it in the trunk of your car. That's the best thing about this. Assemble, if you want to again assemble this, all you have to do is take this clip here and then move it forward like this, and then take it like this, and then press this, and then lock it. That's it. This is how it's like, very simple. And if you are going for a road trip, or if you are going for a traveling, like let's suppose like next week we are going to Miami, we are gonna take this and then just drive on the beaches of Miami, like a trail nearby the beaches of Miami. I think more videos like this, and to get a notification or to get notified for the future videos, subscribe our channel and share this video with as many as people. Basically, we are happy Pari, like myself happy, and my partner is Pari, and we like traveling, and we like making videos, and this is why we created this video, right? So that like many people basically can shift from cars towards this electric scooter. Last thing that we wanted to say, why we decided to purchase this, because we believe in climate change, we believe in environmental friendliness, and this is completely electric, right? We wanted to go carbon zero, and that's why basically we are supporting sustainability, and that's why we decided to purchase this. And why we are making this video, because when we are taking this to different stores, then a lot of people are asking like, hey guys, this is a really cool thing, like, and then they started asking like a lot of questions, right? From where did you buy this, why did you buy this, right? How much did it cost, right? So again, coming to the cost, this costed us around $800, but this is really worth it. I think this is a very good investment, right? If you are environmental friendly, like if you believe in environmental friendliness, if you believe in sustainability, climate change, I think you should definitely go for it. And this is the best electric scooter in the market. You can get other electric scooters for like $300, also $400. There are varieties of electric scooters, right? And you can find it on internet. And but this is the best one in the market. To check this, to basically see this, check out the link in the description.